Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable ANC for your earbuds HUAWEI Freebuds 7i. You have to start by open HUAWEI Live application. Also on iOS you can install HUAWEI Connect app and to use this. This is the newest app. Right now it's not available for the Android devices, but maybe in the future HUAWEI add it to the app gallery and you can install it on your Android phone. Open it. Then, if you use Live, you need to click at your headphones at the device list and the application open for you headphones menu. If you use HUAWEI Connect, it will already open for you headphones menu. Right here we have ANC and we need to wear these earbuds. Without it I cannot enable this mod. If you enable ANC with one earphone, you can use it with one earphone, but I need to use both of them. Then click on it and we just enable it. You can also switch between modes. To disable ANC, you should switch to the transparency mode or normal mode. Also, we can use gestures to enable or disable ANC. At the back side of each earbud, right here at the top, we have touch areas. You need to press and hold at the touch area at your left or right earbud. I need to wear them to use gestures. So let's check it. Right now I have normal mode. I switch to transparency. When I press and hold, then I press and hold again, and now I use ANC. If you press and hold again, you will use now normal mode. Also, we can customize them, but not so much. We cannot add this feature to another gesture, only for the press and hold, but let's scroll down. On the right side at HUAWEI Live application we have gesture control with this icon. At HUAWEI Connect you have it at the left side, the same icon, the same text. Click on it, then move to the press and hold, and right now we switch between three modes, ANC, normal mode and transparency. You can disable one of this mode, you cannot disable two. So let's say you don't need transparency, just click on it, we disable it, and now we'll switch between ANC and normal mode. The same for the normal mode, now we will switch between ANC and transparency. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!